In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download a new font style on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So the good news is your Android smartphone has an option for you to download any font style that you wish. To do this, go to settings on your Android smartphone and then scroll down until you get to this option called display. Now under display, scroll down and you'll see under fonts, we have font and text size. Go ahead and choose on font. And here you'll see we have quite a number of styles that you can explore and choose from. For instance, if you want to download this, you can see these are available for free. Go ahead and tap on the particular font style that you wish to download. And you can see it is available for download here for free. And also we have a display on how it will look like on your smartphone. So go ahead and tap on download and this will get straight to your Android smartphone. Now you can start using it. So that's how you can download new font style on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.